BigQuery Data Challenge Lab. So we are going to start with task 1, total confirmed cases. So first of all, you have to open your BigQuery. Or you can also open from here. So in this untitled query windows, so you need to build a query that answer what was the total count of confirmed cases for June 10, 2020. The name of the column should be total cases worldwide. Now we can check the progress. Yep, it's successful. Now move on to the task 2, worst affected area. You need to build a query for answering how many states in the US had more than 250 deaths on June 10, 2020. The query needs to list the output in the field count of state. And don't include null value. Let's open a new window, or you can just remove the previous one and replace it. Okay, so this is the query. I have 41 states. That is done. Now check my progress. Successful. Task 3, identify the hotspots. So we need to build a query that will list all the states in the United States of America that had more than 3,000 confirmed cases on June 10, 2020. The query need to return state name and the corresponding confirmed cases arranged in descending order, name of the field to return state, and total confirmed cases. I open a new query. Okay, so this will be the answer. Sometimes you may have typed in the similar query, but they just do not recognize it. However, so this is the answer for the task 3. Now let's check my progress. Yep, successful. Now task 4, fatality ratio. Build a query that will answer what was the case fatality ratio in Italy for the month of May 2020. Case fatality ratio here is defined as total death divided by total confirmed cases times 100. Start with a new window. So because it is asking for month of May, so you have to put in the date in this case. Right, let's run this. And only for the country is Italy. That's it. All done. Now let's check my progress. Yep, successful, which is good. So moving on to task 5, identifying specific day. Same country, Italy. So they want to know death cross 12,000. Let's run this. And I can check my progress. Successful, which is good. Now moving to task 6, finding days with 0 net new cases. New window. This is the answer. Yep, we have the result here. Let's see whether we can complete this task. Yes, everything going smoothly. Very good. Now moving to the task 7, doubling rate. New window. So for my case, they want to know 20% more than. So this is the command. Let's run it. Here you go. Let's check my progress. Yes, very good. Now task 8, recovery rate. New window. So this is the answer for the task 8. Just have to enter the date and the cumulative confirm, and then that's it. Limit to 20 row. Make sure you sort by descending order in the recovery rate. Yep, that is successful. Moving on to task 9, CDGR cumulative daily growth rate. New window. For the task 9, this is the query. Right. Well, I get no output, but I can complete the task. Yeah, but if you want to see the result, you can just put back the cast function and run again, you get the result out here. But if let's say the lab is not letting you to complete, just make sure you remove this cast function. Now moving on to the last task, task 10, we're going to use Local Studio. And choose the building project correctly and enter this. Okay, make sure you change all the setting to the right one. Now I connect. So basically you just straight away check my progress, it will be done. Thanks for watching, you can end the lab.